Hello, in this video we are going to create one student form. So before that we need one table, so we are going to create new table. We have to wait until it loads. Okay, so first field name is ID, we have required this. Then student name, we are going to create here over here. Then we need student image, then we need student enrollment number, then we need student department, student same, and now we need student contact, and now student email. So we need these fields. Now right click here, property, and we need to give auto increment. Identity specification, and yes, so this field is auto increment. Now we need to change here our table name, student info. Now I am going to create this table. Update database. So now we have one table, and now we are going to create one form. I will show you how to create this folder and everything. So first of all we need one form, Windows form. We are going to add student detail, so add student info, add. Now we need one panel, and we need 7 label and 7 text box first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now we need text box. For student name we need text box. For student image, this is very difficult to upload image. I have to work 2 to 3 hours to make this video, because uploading image, save image, it is very difficult in C#, but no problem, I will show you. I did that. Now student enrollment number, so for that we need again text box. Then student department, then student same, student contact, and we need student email. And now we need one button to save information. So save info, and yes, we need one picture box also to we have to show user to upload selected picture. So we need to take here one picture box. Okay, now we need to give proper labeling. This is the first student name, select image. Here we need enrollment number. Here we need student department. Now here we need student name, student contact number, and here we need student email. Okay, now we are going to make it bold. Property, here font, and now we have to do here bold row. So now we are going to start our query. Here we need to change on spelling, only saving. Okay, now first of all we have to when user click this, we need to open file dialog. So we need one file dialog. Where is file dialog? Open file dialog. Now we need to write here code for upload image. I already created that. We need these two variable first here, then we need this for select image. So we need here. Now when we are going to upload image, on that time we need unique image name. So for unique image name we are going to use this class file. So copy this class file and paste here, right click and paste here. Check my video description, I will upload this in live and give you path, so you can download this class file from there. Now open this class file and you can see some unwanted files. You can see these are not required, so I'm going to delete this. When you get red line, remove that. Okay, so now we have this this file also we have. Now this is the path. Now we need to run this. Hello, now we need to add here one library system.io. So here error is solved, no error over there. Now when we are going to run this, first of all we need to set here our page name at student info. Now I am going to run. What is the problem? Now you have to solve this error runtime, because sometime you are getting this type of error. When you are getting error, you have to delete that only. Now I am going to open this and I am going to select this image. You can see we get here image. You can see this is the most important part to select. When you are going to select this, we have to show here. This is the most important. Now just we have to perform insert query. So for that, here we have to perform our insert query. So for insert query we need connection string, copy, here paste, and now we are going to write code. Using system.data.sql client. And now connection open, then connection close, then SQL command cmd is equal to c1.create command, cmd dot command type is equal to command type dot text, cmd dot command text, and cmd dot execute non-query. And now I will show you in this code. You can see here we mention here when user click on that time we have to upload image in student_images folder. This is comment because when you are going to display image, when we are going to edit the student record, on that time this line is needed, so I paste here. But we need this student_images folder. So here right click, add new folder, and I am going to take name student_images folder. And here when we are going to perform insert query, on that time we need to copy our images inside our folder. So this line is important for copy and paste. Using this code you can only show your picture inside picture box, but using this you can copy your selected file inside this your student_images folder. Okay, now here we take this, copy this, and here just now paste here, because when we load this form, on that time we do not require to generate this password, but when we click this button, on that time we need to generate password. So I put here. Now here we need to pass insert query, insert into. This is very difficult, so please when you are writing this, then please check 2 and 3 times. Student_info values, and we need to pass 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 parameter. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 double quotes plus plus, copy, paste, 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 and here I am going to take one variable string img path, and I am going to save here img underscore path is equal to this. What error we are getting? .jpg. When you are going to run, on that time you are getting perfect error. Okay, we have to pass here double slash, so this error is solved. You can see this is not easy. Now we have these text box. First, second, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here text box 1 dot text, text box 2 dot text, text box 3 dot text, text box 4 dot text, text box 5 dot text, and here text box 6 dot text. And here we need to pass img underscore path dot to string. And now we are going to pass message box dot show record inserted successfully. So here for this is only displaying picture box, this button, and this is using that we are copy that file in our folder, and then we are going to perform our insert query. Okay, so now we are going to check. Yeah, one thing we need to pass here try and catch. Try, and then we need catch exception ex message box dot show ex dot message dot to string. So if we are getting error, then we can see perfect error. Okay, now we are going to perform our output. I am going to write my name. I am going to select one image, same 6, and now I am going to write email address, and now saving. Yeah, we get here record inserted successfully message. Now we need to check in our folder. So we have our project, and inside this we can see we get image here, and now we are going to check here we get entry or not. Yeah, we get here entry. So this way we can upload image, and this way we can save image. inside our folder, and also we are going to add student information. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is too tough, so please chat 2 to 3 times. If you are getting error, then please chat line by line, so you will solve your error. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.